This is my new Paris Hilton pots. They are so beautiful. We're making sopita here. We're so good. I'm so excited for our dishes. So we wait until the soup is kind of cooked all the way. Not all the way burned, but like at least a little bit brown. And then we add a little bit of water. Not so much, but half of the. And I'm using not just any water. This is chapter 3. Now we're gonna put some consommé, which is called a little bit of chicken flavor. It's called caldo de tomate con sabor de pollo. So I'm gonna just put like. You can measure yourself. I put usually when the soup turns red. I like my soup really red. Now we're making some buttery rice. First you add the onion. And then you add the butter. Making some tilapia. We're gonna get some eggs, like 2-3 eggs, and then we have the pan de molido. It's like bread to bread up the tilapia, the fish. So first I'm gonna dip the tilapia inside the egg, and then to bread it up.
Hey, roll on the deep boy.
Bread it up. Just like turning out to be after it's cooked, it'll be left also. Now I'm gonna do some veggie ricer cuts. I just bought this yesterday at the market. You can get it at any market. And you can also cut fruits. Look at the shoulder. Now we're gonna dice the onion to go with the fish tacos. Jalapeno.
Jesus Christ superstar in the Hollywood Bowl, and Judas is being played by Adam Lambert. In my opinion, this is completely mocking the Lord. This is